Hi friends, welcome to our video. This is Pauli from Mingda. Today I am glad to introduce a high quality, high stability and high cost performance education 3D printer to you. It is Mingda brand MD-16, a classical model 3D printer machine. Firstly, MD-16 adopt full metal frame and countersunk head screws. It has sturdy structure and beautiful appearance. Filament rack on the top. No worry about the filament breaking and easy to check the filament use situation. It equip a 3.5-inch color full touch LCD screen, nice humane interface and easily operation. 110 volts, 220 volts power support for MD-16 3D printer machine. It meet the world power need. MD-16 support USB and SD card. We usually suggest SD card to our clients. It is more convenient to operate the machine. We can see the Mingda MD-16 professional inner structure. It adopts rod structure for X, Y, Z axis. More precise and stability for printing models. 57-stepper motor, printing faster. The self-patented nozzle, melting faster and no blocking and drawing. Effective fan for power supply or cooling. No worry about the machine overheat during long time. Printing. MD-16 3D printer equipped 10mm thickness heating bed, heating faster without distortion or bent. Double parallel plate, 4 screws to adjust the heating bed easily and precisely. LED lights is better to check the MD-16 printing condition, no harm to eyes. MD-16 has modular design and high quality parts. You can know where it is if the problem come out and easy to replace it or replace it. Thank you. Please watch the video.